my new scooter. Do you remember when I did that video where my scooter was broken? Ow! ARGOS has thoughtfully sent me my new scooter, and we want to say a big thank you to ARGOS for my new scooter. And it says it has contains a cute unicorn plush. That means it's a toy inside. So should we open it and see?
If your scooter is broken, order these and then you'll have these supplies.
Okay, let's open it.
Yeah.
Mummy's going to help us open it. I will show you what's inside. Squeeze! I've already figured it out.
No, there's just this way. This way.
Yeah, we got it out.
Yeah.
So the scooter's already built, but all we just have to do now is unlock it. And now let's open it. First, let's open the plush.
And we found some bubble wrap that I can put now. Put.
Look at my plush.
I think I'll just do this.
Guys, look at my plush. She's so small.
Can I? Oh, she's so good. I think we should wash her. I got her.
Oh, she's so cute.
Yeah.
And the little name of her. Skylar.
Bye, Skylar. Oh,
Mummy's going to fix it. We'll show you at the park. Come back soon. Bye.
Toda is gone.
Hey, wait for me. Yeah.
Thanks, ARGOS. I hope you buy it. I recommend it.
And we love you. Hug them kisses, ARGOS.
Thanks for watching our YouTube video. I hope you watch more.